students, welcome to Recruitment Bharati. What is the value of medium resistance based on its ohmic value? So resistance are classified on their ohmic values. So here asking the value of medium resistance. So in the previous classes also we have studied some of questions on medium resistance, and here some of the questions. So what is the value of medium resistance based on its ohmic value? Answer is C, above 1 ohm to up to 100 kilo ohms. So from 1 ohm to 100 kilometers 100 kilo ohms, the resistance is known as medium resistance. When no current flows through the galvanometer in the Wheatstone bridge. In the figure, the bridge circuit is said to be, when the no current flows through this is the circuit is said to be, we will see the answer is balanced. When the no current is flow through the circuit, current flow through the galvanometer in Wheatstone bridge, then the bridge circuit is said to be in balanced. And two incandescent lamps of 125 volts 40 watts and 125 volts 100 watts are connected in series to a supply voltage of 230 volts. What happens due to these connections? So here the question is, two incandescent lamps of 125 volts, one is 40 watt and other is 100 watts, are connected in series, and here asks the what happens for this connection. The answer is the drop exceeds the voltage drop across the 40 watt lamp is higher than its rated voltage, therefore it will fuse. Next, in which material, if the temperature increases, the resistance will decrease? The answer is carbon. Carbon is a negative temperature coefficient material, that's why so its resistance will decrease when temperature is increased. A 12 ohm resistor connected across a 60 volt DC source. Calculate the current flows through the resistor. So problems are 60 volts and 12 ohm. So here the voltage and resistance is given. You need to calculate the current. Answer is directly, we need to say answer is B. That is 5 ampere. Next question, calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown in the figure. So see the figure here, three resistors are connected in parallel. Calculating the value of resistance, and the answer is so resistance 10 ohm resistance, 5 ohm resistance, 2 ohm resistance are connected in parallel, and the answer is 1.25 ohms. So calculate once. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Already we have studied this. The commercial unit of is kilowatt hour. The resistance offered between two opposite faces of a meter cube or centimeter cube of the material is called as 47. What specific resistance? Two opposite faces of a meter cube. The resistance offered between two opposite faces of a meter cube of material is called as specific resistance. Specific resistance depends on length, cross section area and its kind of material. And all the above factors are related to Answer is 4. The amount of current flowing through a resistance depends on current flowing through a resistance depends on so current flowing through a resistance depends on applied voltage and ohmic value of the resistance. So current flow in the resistance is current flow is due to the voltage, but in the circuit it will depends on ohmic value of the resistor also. So answer is the amount of current flowing to a resistance depends on applied voltage and ohmic value of the resistor.